In the previous class, we studied about the cube roots of unity here. 1 omega square are cube roots of unity here. Like that, fourth roots of unity here. The fourth roots of unity are given by the solution set of the equation x raised to 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Here 1 minus 1 I minus I are called fourth root of unity here. So just observe here x raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 is there. We can write here x square, it's a square here, minus of 1 square is equal to 0. Here use a square minus b square formula. As x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x square is equal to minus 1 is there, and x square is equal to plus 1. So x square equal to minus 1 here. Therefore x is equal to what here? Plus or minus root of minus 1. And here x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 here. Hence square root of minus 1 is I. So x is equal to plus or minus I, and x is equal to plus or minus 1 here. So plus 1 minus 1 plus I minus I. So these are the fourth roots of unity here. Then the square roots of unity. The square roots of unity are given by the solution set of the equation x square minus 1 equal to 0 is there. So here x square minus 1 means you can write 1 square is equal to 0. Hence x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 1. So 1 minus 1 are the square roots of unity. So now I am solving examples on square roots of unity, cube roots of unity, fourth roots of unity, and so on, nth roots of unity. First example, if 1 omega square are the 3 cube roots of unity, then 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega minus omega square is, okay, 4 options are there. Okay, here property of cube roots of unity here, 1 plus omega plus omega square is always 0. Okay, standard result here. Suppose if you take one right hand side here, it becomes a minus 1 here. Omega plus omega square is a minus 1. Otherwise, if we take omega right hand side here, 1 plus omega square is equal to minus of omega. Or even you can take omega square also that side here, 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Okay, so we are using these results here. So 1 minus of omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega minus of omega square is equal to. Here take this 1 plus omega square here. Okay, here 1 plus omega square is a minus omega here. So 1 plus omega square is a minus of omega, and this means that minus omega keep as it is here into bracket. Next 1 plus omega is there. Here 1 plus omega is a minus omega square. So here it is a minus of omega square minus omega square. So this is equal to minus omega minus 2 omega here. Minus omega square minus of 2 omega square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 becomes a 4 here. Omega into omega square is omega cube here. And one more property of the cube roots of unity here, omega cube is always 1 here. Therefore it is 1. So therefore 4 into 1 here, the 4 is the answer here. So C correct after that. If omega is an imaginary cube roots of unity, then 1 plus omega minus omega square whole raised to 7 is equal to. Okay, so therefore 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to 7 is equal to, 1 plus omega is minus omega square, yeah, minus omega square raised to 7, minus omega square minus 2 omega square raised to 7 here, minus 2 raised to 7, 7 is odd number, so minus write as it here, and 2 raised to 7 is 128, omega raised to 7 to the 14 here, this is 14, omega raised to 14 here, so therefore this equal to minus 128 here. Omega raised to 14 can be written as omega raised to 3 raised to 4 into omega square. Okay, because 3 4s are 12 here. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 becomes 14 here. You are using a laws of indices here. And also you know that omega cube here. Omega cube is 1. So this becomes 1. Total this becomes 1. Therefore this is equal to minus of 128 into omega square. So minus 128 omega square. Fourth option is correct here. Okay. So if I is equal to square root of minus 1 and omega is a non-real cube root of unity, then here this is equal to, here we want value of this one here. So 4 options are there. 0 if n is even number, 0 for all n belong to I, 2 raised to n minus 1 for all n belong to z, and the fourth option is none of these here. Okay, here 1 plus I whole raised to 2n is here. So write this one as 1 plus I raised to 2 here, raised to n here, using laws of indices here. Okay, then minus of, and write this one as 1 minus I whole square raised to n here, divided by 1 plus omega is there. Right, 1 plus omega is minus omega square here. So minus of omega square here into here 1 plus omega square here. 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So minus omega and the middle term minus omega here. Okay. Then this is equal to, and you know that 1 plus I whole square here. Okay. This is standard result here. 1 plus I whole square is 2I here, and 1 minus I whole square is minus of 2I here. Then 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I is a plus I. 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I is a minus I. This is a standard result here. Here we are using these two terms here. Therefore here it is a 2I raised to n. So 2I whole raised to n here, minus of, and here minus of 2I, minus 2I whole raised to n divided by minus omega square minus omega square here, minus of 2 omega square minus omega minus omega minus of 2 omega here. Okay, next here 2 raised to n, I raised to n minus, then minus 2 raised to n, I raised to n here. You can take I raised to n common factor here. Therefore this is equal to 2 raised to n is that. So write 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n. Okay. So in bracket minus 2 whole raised to n here. Bracket complete here. Here I raised to n. Here also I raised to n. So I raised to n common factor right outside. Then write 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n in the bracket here. And here minus 2 into minus 2 becomes a plus 4 here. And omega square into omega is a omega cube here. Okay, it is a omega cube. Okay, then omega cube becomes 1 here. Okay. Suppose if n is even number, if n is even, then this becomes a plus here. 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n. Complete this numerator term becomes a 0 here. Hence this is equal to 0. Okay, it is 0 if n is a even number here. So therefore this is equal to 0 if n is a even number here. So if n is even number, minus becomes a plus here. 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n. To complete this term is 0. 0 upon anything is a 0 here. So 0 if n is even. So first option is correct. So if omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then argument of I omega plus argument of I omega square is equal to what here? Okay. So you know that argument of so z1 into z2 is argument of z1 plus argument of z2 here. Okay, this is a formula. And suppose z is equal to a plus I into b is a complex number here. In that case, okay, so z and argument of z here. Suppose z is only a, then it is a real number here. Then obviously argument is a 0. If it is a minus of a, then argument is a pi. If it is a b into I, bi or ai also, even you can take a into I also. In that case, it is a pi by 2. Argument is pi by 2. If it is a minus b into I, then minus of pi divided by 2. Okay, minus of pi divided by 2. Okay. Therefore, here in this case, argument of I omega, I am using this formula. So argument of I plus argument of omega plus, and again argument of I plus argument of omega square. Okay, and you know that this result here. So if a complex number is a b into I, b is any real number here. So argument is pi by 2. Therefore argument of I here behind it is 1 here. 1 is a real number. 1 into I is again I only. Therefore we are using this result here. Therefore argument of I becomes a pi divided by 2. Okay, then plus here. Next you know that omega, here omega is equal to what here? Cos of 2 pi divided by 3 plus I into sin of 2 pi divided by 3 and omega square is cos of 4 pi by 3 4 pi by 3 plus I into sin of 4 pi divided by 3. Omega is cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Yes, amplitude is 2 pi by 3. Amplitude of this omega 2 pi by 3. So it is 2 pi divided by 3. Then plus. And argument of I, again it is a pi by 2 only. Then plus here. Argument of omega square, it is a 4 pi by 3. Okay, so just observe here. So here it is 4 pi by 3. Total this angle. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. 60 into 4, 240 here. Okay, it is a 4 pi by 3 here. Okay, 4 pi by 3 means 240 degree. Suppose if you take its clockwise direction here, in this direction, it is a minus of 2 pi by 3. That is a minus of 120 degree. Okay, here this angle is a 240 degree, then obviously this angle is minus 120 degree or minus 2 pi upon 3. Therefore, argument of omega square is minus of 2 pi divided by 3. minus of 2 pi upon 3. Okay, therefore here plus 2 pi by 3 and minus 2 pi by 3 cancels here. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 gives 2 pi divided by 2 here. 2 and 2 cancels, the remaining is a pi. Therefore C is the answer here. If omega is a cube roots of unity, then 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega raised to 4 into 1 minus omega raised to 8 here is equal to what here? First option is 3, second omega, third option 9 and fourth option is 1 here. Okay, you know omega cube here, omega cube is always 1 here. So omega raised to 4 is there. Okay, omega raised to 4 can be written as omega raised to 4 is omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1 here. So 1 into omega becomes omega. This is omega. And omega raised to 8. Omega raised to 8 is omega raised to 3 raised to 2 into omega square here. Okay. Omega raised to 3 raised to 2. 3 2s are 6 here. 6 plus 2 becomes 8. And omega cube is 1 here. So complete this becomes 1. 1 into omega square is omega square. So use that here. Okay. Therefore 1 minus omega. Then 1 minus of omega square. Then 1 minus omega raised to 4 is omega here. So write here omega. 1 minus omega raised to 8 is omega square here. Okay. Therefore this into this 1 minus of omega whole square here. Then this into this 1 minus omega square whole square whole raised to 2. Okay. Then this is equal to, so expand it here. Here use a minus b whole square formula. So 1 minus omega whole square is 1 square is 1 plus omega square minus of 2 omega here into, and expand this one here. 1 square is 1 here plus omega raised to 4 minus of 2 omega square here. Use a minus b whole square formula, expand it here. And this is equal to 1 plus omega square minus of 2 omega, and omega raised to 4 is there. Omega raised to 4 is again it is omega here. So this is omega. 1 plus omega minus of 2 omega square here. Then this is equal to, you know that so the formula here, 1 plus omega plus omega square is 0 here. Cancel omega plus omega square is minus 1, or 1 plus omega square is minus omega here, or 1 plus omega is minus of omega square here. Okay, so 1 plus omega square is there. 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So right here minus omega minus 2 omega, right as it is here. This one as it is. 1 plus omega is there. 1 plus omega is minus omega square here. Minus omega square minus 2 omega square here. Okay. Therefore this is equal to minus omega minus 2 omega minus of 3 omega minus omega square minus 2 omega square minus of 3 omega square here. That is equal to minus into minus plus here. 3 3s are 9. Omega into omega square becomes omega cube here. Omega cube is 1 here. 1 into 9 becomes 9 here. Therefore C answer here. If omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, then 3 plus omega plus 3 omega square raised to 4 is equal to, okay, first option 16, second minus 16, third option 16 omega, fourth option 16 omega square here. Okay, so here from these two terms 3 common factor here. Okay, so write 3 common here, then 1 plus omega square plus this omega here, whole raised to 4 here, whole raised to 4. Okay, here are three common factors. So write 3 outside. 1 plus omega square right in the bracket plus omega whole raised to 4 here. And 1 plus omega square is a minus omega. So minus of omega plus omega raised to 4 here. Then this is equal to, here it is a minus 3 omega is there. Minus 3 omega plus omega raised to 4 here. Minus 3 omega plus omega is a minus 2 omega. Minus 2 omega raised to 4 here. Then minus becomes a plus here because 4 is even number. Minus becomes plus. 2 raised to 4 is a 16 here. So 16 omega raised to 4 here. And omega raised to 4 value is omega. So 16 into omega. Okay. Therefore 16 omega C is the answer. So 1 omega square are cube roots of unity. Then their product is first option is 1, second minus 1, third option is omega, fourth option is 0. Okay. Product of cube roots of unity. Obviously it is omega cube here. So omega cube is 1 here. So first option is correct here.